Let me see the picture.
Safety. Man. Vlogging, bro.
What's up?
Got the fit ready for school. Had to put some deodorant on off camera. Ahora sí, vamos a poner la lámina ya para que caliente el motor. Sí. Ahora sí me voy a cepillar los dientes. Sí. Look at the fit. Siempre con porte fino. So today I'm gonna just bring a vlog. Nothing with the trucks. It's cause I need more content, but the truck parts are coming. So I'm just gonna vlog, go to school, basically what I do on my day. Not every day, but hold on, let me back up. Yeah, this is not what I do every day, but today I just decided to do a vlog because I don't really got nothing important going on. Gonna vlog today. Man, I hate when people get on the right lane and they don't turn right. Like, step over. Come on, it's in green. Ellen. Chess. Yeah, got to school. Nah, I know I told you I always skip breakfast, but today es que me acordé que el maestro siempre nos deja salir como a las 1. So es de las 8:30 hasta la 1. And I be in there starving. So I just decided to eat breakfast. So that's the campus right there. Man, it's a good day today. Hopefully we do something exciting, because sometimes they be in there boring, you know, and ain't nothing to do. And look at all these. Let me get to class. Nah, never mind, I'm turning around. Man, I forgot my safety glasses.
Bruh.
Puertas. They gonna look at me like, what this guy doing? Just getting a cool vlogging too. The teacher not gonna know how to vlog this. I'm gonna sneak the camera in, like little parts, interesting parts. So hopefully, sometimes it be limited. Oh, it's okay with y'all.
You get bigger one of these papers? Or like a group? Let me see the picture.
Safety.
So we need control transformer. The same shit. Yeah, same. Oh damn.
How many volts is it? It's
push buttons.
same.
That's too red this time.
Same like from here goes here. This will be the L1. it will go to the push button, right? This is the
Yeah,
push button.
but there's two. You know, so I mean we can. This one's the top one, and this one's the bottom one. Yeah, we're gonna have one on the bottom. Why don't we have only? You'll be the cameraman.
So two,
Two to one on the Jeep. And then two.
Should we go back here first? Okay, so three is
Here's the bottom.
three on the
A, B, C. What the letters mean?
so three.
3 and 4. Oh wait, no. Just 3 from the L. From the from L2.
I connected right from here to right here.
Yeah, cause that 80 power.
Yeah, so connected right. To three.
Yeah. And then get another one from 4 to 5 on the capsule.
Yeah. You're right. Three.
Is it open switch? Yeah, it's open. And then 4 from the bottom. Wait.
But look.
Going up.
Oh, you think I gotta connect it again and then it'll connect it to two? Yeah, 3, 4, and then from 4 it goes to 2.
I do it.
Oh yeah, I finished looking at the schematic and wiring it up. My boy Gustavo, the technician, reviewing it. The HVAC technician. You're right? Yeah. What was that saying that he said? It was like from line to load. No, from switch line. I don't know. I forgot honestly. Load was the last thing, and then back to line. yeah. Volume, bro. You not gonna say nothing. You think you got it?
Shit, I got it.
We already got it 3 times. Just got at the lab, finished doing or reading schematic diagrams, wiring up the continuity from the line to the switch to the load, back to the line. And now we gotta go back on the computer classroom. I don't want to, shit, it's boring. But yeah, teacher's gonna teach us some. Man, more paperwork.
Yeah, I remember. Some of y'all might not have been here because it was Thursday, wasn't it?
About to go back to the lab. Gonna do some troubleshooting, roll down the steps, get in. Yeah, gotta follow the procedure. And just got out of campus. Teacher was doing he was testing me on the circuit. Look, everybody already left. I was like the last one. Well, one of the last ones. Oh, pull up to the crib. About to get a meal in again. I'm hungry. Man. Hola. ¿Dónde mamá? Nah. No shit. You sleeping, boy?
See, you're recording.
Okay, pues shut up. ¿Estás así dormido? Yeah, I'm gonna charge my phone. I had it charged on the whip, but it didn't even want to charge. Yo, it's the next day. I had to cut the vlog right there because my phone, it was like having problems. The camera's been draining my battery ever since I started vlogging. I'm gonna need to upgrade soon or buy a camera. Who knows? So right now, finna get ready to go to the gym. My cup at. Yes. Say what's up?
Yes, sir. I have a question for y'all. If we get into 1K in the end of the year.
1K at the end of the year?
Yeah.
It's possible. It's
We
doable.
only need.
I got 40 subscribers already, so we got it. We got it. 1,000.
You have 6 months, right?
Yeah. So I have to pump water up on myself. Es que se nos dañó la máquina ahí. Y luego no venden la parte, es un poco no vamos a arreglar. No, let's go to the gym. Nah, bro, it's always raining in my vlogs. Like for no reason. I'm finna go in the SRT. Psych, I wish. It's my mom's whip. Hey, I'm vlogging.
What, bro?
Yeah.
What's up? Fucking rain outside and shit.
Yeah. Bro, this shit got me wet. Bro, it's always raining in my vlogs, bro.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what it is, but I guess somebody don't want me to do something.
Bro, I had canceled all my plans today.
Machine?
It was the cleanest shit, bro. I was doing like 20 of them, bro.
I still feel them too.
Bro, I feel it on my abs, I feel it on my hamstrings. I'm telling you, I think the most work, like the groin legs.
Yeah.
Took it to my cousin about the rim.
I don't know what you're trying to hit. You trying to do
hit chest or back? I didn't hit chest yesterday.
I didn't either. I hit a bag yesterday.
You hit back yesterday? What
Yeah,
chest?
with your chest. Dumbbell? Everything be taken
la
in this
moniquita otra
bitch.
vez. ¿Dónde está? Chiquita.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she got shot. He got camera shot.
Damn, I just realized you don't have like the 0.5.
It lets you do it. I did like a setting to it. How many you did?
Huh?
How many reps did you do?
Like 20. The 70s? Huh?
So they really feel heavy.
Yeah, I know. How many? Eight?
Yeah.
I ain't 12.
Feel it from my last workout, my last shoulder workout. I fucking went off.
You keep it here?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep.
Am I recording it right though? Hit 10. 10 of them bitches. One more. How many did you get?
I did 10. Go on now. Just did flat, over hip press. Now we got a swim machine. Swim machine.
Stop with 500 plates.
Nah, bro, like the old high school days.
No.
When we were pushing weight. We gotta get back to that. Switch of plans, we're gonna hit rear delt. All these machines taken. But that's the thing about coming at 6:30. That everybody and their mama being there. Come on, boy.
See, like that conversation we're having, you can record all that
We
shit.
can't record none of that.
Why not?
Or, I mean, we can, but it's you. We don't want to.
I don't give a fuck. Except the one that we was just saying.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's just keep recording.
We're going to another gym.
Bro, let's go to you, man. It's a homeboy at the gym.
That's a lot more baddies there. iOS, god damn, bro. They're all like college baddies too. They're all like nurses and shit, like scrubs and Beamers, Mercedes.
You want to get a sugar mama there.
Yeah.
Hopefully a 30-year-old. Because you know they be looking for that college.
That college stamina.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, this will stop recording. Well, never mind.
What is it?
Your battery's
storage?
about to die.
How much better you got?
$43.
You think you can put on yours?
Yeah.
That's
Bro, my cousin made a badass edit of my truck.
see what we can.
$5.11.
511.
See, now right here, you like 6'3".
Right there?
Probably, shit. I need cardio, bro. I drank beer last night, bro.
You drink beer?
Ah.
I'm gonna put
But it was not beer. It was Topo Chico, the hard seltzers.
Oh, yeah. That was good.
Yeah.
On a Tuesday, though, you play beer?
Watch out, bro. I was chilling. I'm off.
Okay.
I work the weekends. So my weekends like the weekdays.
Yeah, the weekend, yeah, I feel that. Your weekdays is your weekends, your weekends is your weekdays.
That shit sucks.
That's how it be for me. That's how it works on weekends too. Featherweight. How much is it?
20.
I told you. Bro, let's go hit.
Hey, you should take 1 hour.
Huh?
You should take 1 hour.
Yeah, I know that. Come on, boy. Hit that shit, cool.
You my friend.
Hey, I should vlog all the time, huh? Or nah. Bro, I always gonna do dips, but I remember last time I did dips, I like felt something on my elbow. And then last night I was hitting, what I hit? I was doing skull crushers. I felt it again. I'm gonna lay off there for like a week or two.
chest is good.
Hey, good little workout, huh? Good little workout.
Look at this shit. Look like. Damn, I'm sweating.
Yeah. My boy did cardio and I went straight to the sauna. My phone had died, so I ain't getting no recording in there.
30 minutes of cardio.
Oh yeah, 30 minutes.
More rain.
That my whiskeys. I'm telling my boy to be part of the group, but my boy got bigger plans going on. My boy finna get in the commercial HVAC industry. Damn, cool.
What the f is flat? Look at the tire problems, bro.
Bro, come on. Wait, isn't this one the one that you got low on thread or not? No, it's good. What the f?
Bro, there's probably like something in it though. Should be good though.
Well. My boy got 22s, but he put the stocks back on for right now. It's cause one is dented. He's gonna take it. When you gonna take it?
Tomorrow.
He's gonna take it tomorrow to get fixed. Hell
Now
yeah.
we riding back on 22s.
They were with snowflakes. That be a boy.
Motherfucker felt heavy. Snowflakes. Fucking tires.
Yeah.
It made the truck like feel heavy as hell. Yeah.
Hey, but it look clean. It's that clean.
Motherfucker nice too.
Shit.
Chevy.
But this one looks like Jan's cousins. But this one's extended cab. Jan's cousins is single cab. But yeah, cool little workout. We're gonna end it right there. And let me know if y'all want any more of these workout vlogs. I low-key like them. You fuck with them? Yeah. I don't care what nobody be saying or they be looking at us. But
Nah, for real.
Until the next one, ODN Johnny out.